Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you an effect that we use in apps that may take some time to load some data. And so there's a widget that comes very handy. It's called the Shimmer. And what the Shimmer does is, let me just kind of demo the app here. So here's just a very simple kind of app that shows a list of data. And for the purposes of this demo, this data is all fake and it's actually hard coded. But you could be fetching this data either from a remote server or you could be loading it from the local device. And so it might take some time for this list to load. And this list can actually be very long. So while it's loading, you want to show some sort of indicator that the data is loading. And so what I've done is when this app initially loads, it will show that effect, but also it will show the effect when I press on this
Please subscribe to this channel and like this video to support this kind of work.
reload button. There we go. So this is that silver sort of look is called a shimmer. And it just shows that shimmer just for like about a second, and then we show the data. And the way that, so you would include a package called Shimmer here, okay? And then the way that you would do it is when you are handling the state when it's loading, for this case, I'm not demoing it with block or anything, but I'm showing it with just the stateful widgets. So when this value here is showing as true of is loading, and then in this build build method here, if the value of is loading is true, then we will show a list of shimmer items. But if it's not loading, then we will actually show the actual data that we have either retrieved or we have in our data structure. And this is a very easy way to basically demonstrate the effect of a shimmer. Again, this data is fake data, but what I'm doing is I'm just artificially creating a delay. So here, when I reload the list, I set this is loading to true. I create an artificial delay of where I'm going to show that flip that shimmer. And then later, once this delay is done, then the is loading is turned off, and we set the list of items to be this fake data here of fake items. So again, the way that this works is you just have a way that when you display or paint the screen, you have a way of showing a shimmer, and when you're not showing a shimmer. Okay, and that's about it.